Hi everyone and welcome to a very special video which is about my latest collection of superhero t-shirts, DC, all of them. As you've seen in my previous videos, I've been having some new Marvel designs, but DC has been quite short. Thanks to a very dear brother of mine who gifted me these t-shirts, I am now going to be showing them to you in this very special video. Stay tuned. Hi everyone and welcome to a very special video which is about my new superhero t-shirts, all of them being DC prints. It's been quite a long time since I had some new DC shirts. I've been getting mostly Marvel, and thanks to a very dear brother of mine who gifted me all of these, he was able to find out some of the best designs that I always loved from DC universe. So first up is straightforward DC Comics logo. You've seen my shirt for Marvel logo. Now I have the official DC logo t-shirt with me. So it's going to make it really easy for me to talk about DC stuff. Otherwise, I had to wear only Superman or Batman t-shirts. Not that I don't love them, but sometimes for communication purposes, it's much better to have the corporate identity. Next up is this classic Batman emblem, which had been prevailing since the 70s. But the good thing about this particular t-shirt is that anyone who is a fan of 1989 Batman, this shirt is just right for you. For me, it's two of my favorite things: the classic logo, which continued from the 70s till the 80s, all the way till the 90s, and the black color, which symbolizes Batman 1989 and the fan following that's out there. This one is my all-time favorite. Why? Because this is the t-shirt I've always been waiting for. My old Superman t-shirt, it has a lot of design all over it. Not that it's not my favorite, but this one is with what I grew up with. This is the symbol I grew up with. This is the identity I know of Superman. And this is the all classic blue color with the red and yellow diamond. It doesn't get better than this, or does it? Well, it does get better than that, because I never thought I would be getting this t-shirt. This t-shirt is really special for me because this artwork that you're seeing is done by Joe Shuster, the co-creator of Superman. For Superman number 14, this is that moment in history when Superman was established as an American icon. The term truth, justice, and the American way was born. This is the ultimate Holy Grail. Yes, the iconic logo of Superman is very important. Is it a Holy Grail for me? Yes, it is. As a guy who still wears superhero t-shirts, who loves superhero t-shirts, it is the Holy Grail. But one step above it is this one. And there's a lot of history in this one. The artwork is beautiful. The diamond is exactly representative of the time when they changed the logo of Superman from having the black background. So this is it. You saw all of my collection. The best, I think, collection I could have ever imagined for DC Comics. My favorite characters being Superman, Batman. What more could a guy ask for? This is like the best gift I have ever had in a long time. And don't forget, if you're looking for exclusive merch that has been designed by me for as little as 9 reals a month, make sure to subscribe to my Patreon. All of these links are available on my channel. Just make sure to support me. If you guys want to know what to look for when you're buying a superhero t-shirt, make sure to drop me a message, put down your comment, share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more content about experiencing superheroism, not just in Saudi Arabia, but around the world.